Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing amazing. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you how you can grow your nails naturally long and healthy using only 2 ingredients. So without any further ado, let's begin. But before we start, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe down below for more videos like this. And let's start. So the first ingredient that I'm going to use for this remedy is lemon juice. So here I have taken about 3 to 4 tablespoons of lemon juice in this container, and then I'm going to dip my nail in that for about 5 minutes. You want to make sure that you have enough lemon juice for your nails to dip into it. So as we all know that lemons are a rich source of vitamin C, which promotes the production of collagen and therefore makes the nail healthy and strong. Lemons are also great for getting rid of that yellow stain on your nails, which are usually caused by wearing dark nail polishes. So overall, lemon juice is really good for your nail. Then I'm going to use the excess lemon juice and I'm going to rub that on my nail for about 1 minute so that your nails can absorb all the juice nicely. After that, you can wash your hands with normal water. So our second ingredient is coconut oil. Now I'm going to massage some coconut oil onto my nail. Massage it in a circular motion to improve blood circulation, which will eventually promote nail growth. Coconut oil is really good for your nails. It contains essential fatty acids and other nutrients that provide moisture and nourishment for the nails and the skin around the nails. It also keeps your nails free from any fungal infection and its antimicrobial properties. For best results, leave this coconut oil on your nails overnight, but if you don't like your nails being oily, you can always wash it off. So after washing my hands, this is how my nails look like. If you want to see the best results, you want to be very consistent with this remedy and apply both lemon juice and coconut oil on your nails every single day for about 2 to 3 weeks. This is how my nails look after 1 week. And this is how they look after 2 weeks. You can clearly see new growth. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!